You've got to climb Mount Everest to reach the Valley of the Dolls. It's a brutal climb to reach that peak.
So welcome to the dollhouse. Welcome to the dollhouse. Welcome to the dollhouse. I got it all set up for you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Jim Flint presents Miss Continental Plus 2000.
So welcome to the dollhouse. Welcome to the dollhouse. Welcome to the dollhouse. I got it all set up for you.
Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
We are the Commando Elite. Everything else is just a toy.
Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Yeah. What is it good for?
Absolutely nothing. Listen to me.
Hey, wanna party? Oh la la. Am I sexy? Will you know? Follow me and you will know. Am I sexy? Will you know? Follow me and you will know. Follow me and you will know. Am I sexy? Will you know? Follow me and you will know. Am I sexy? Will you know? Follow me and you will know.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Continental Plus, former Ginger Grant. Ladies and gentlemen, the former Miss Continental, your MC tonight, Carmela Marcela Garcia. Former Miss Continental, ladies and gentlemen, Victoria LePage. Our former Miss Continental Plus, ladies and gentlemen, Dina Cass. And ladies and gentlemen, our former Continental Plus, Santana T. Summers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your reigning Miss Continental Plus 1999, Terry Williams. And ladies and gentlemen, your reigning Miss Continental 1999, Tommy Ross. Thank you. Let's give them all a nice round of applause as they all leave our stage, okay? Thank you. If I call your name, we'd like to have you to step up, please, and accept the award for the best interview last night. And of course, the interview really was something, and it was a tie between, let's welcome contestant number 16, Angelica Sanchez, and number 22, Tamara Hornet. Swimwear was just as exciting, ladies and gentlemen, and that did end in a tie also. So let's bring down at this time contestant number 3, Anina Cherry. And contestant number 12, Lady Deception. And ladies and gentlemen, the evening gown winner tonight, let's bring her back, number 12, Lady Deception. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your talent winner last night, contestant number 16, Angelica Sanchez. Now you can see how exciting it was. Ladies and gentlemen, our first finalist tonight, coming down to us, welcome Ashley Simone. Our next finalist tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Nina Cherry. Our next finalist, ladies and gentlemen, coming to us, Chevelle Brooks. Come on down and join them, Raquel Scott. And I know she's waiting, Christian Valentino. Lady Deception. Come on down, Chelsea Pearl. Let's welcome Angelica Sanchez. Come on down, Giselle Bevan-Eschon. Come on down, Ivy White. Come on down, Shady Lady. And let's join the panel with our 12th member, Tamara Mahoney.
Jam. Def Jam.
Okay, roll the drums.
bones. Joe?
Yeah?
Did you notice that charming young lady sitting in the box with me?
Yeah, I saw her.
Well, I'd like you to meet a very big fan of yours, a visitor to our country, Miss Lola, Banana, from South America.
How do you do, Mr. Chuck Hardy?
How do you do? Happy to meet you.
Likewise, I am muy sure.
You know, suddenly all I can think of is a hot dog.
Mr. Applegate, please.
I
can't.
You are uncomfortable with Lola, yes?
Yes. No, I'm just a little...
No. The truth is, it is Lola who does not know how to speak to a big hero like a Chucho.
Gesundheit. Pardon? Look, Miss Banana, I'm afraid I'd really like to get going. It's
Lola, Cho. Just Lola, please. I think we should become to know each other quite well.
Okay. Lola.
Oh, Cho. Oh, you are so sexy when you say that. Lola. Oh, you make me shiver all over. Well, some men says to me things like, oh, I love you. You are so beautiful. I would die for you. And it means nada. But you say, Lola. And suddenly, oh, I feel like a little niña. Oh.
Please, Miss Banana, I really gotta go. It's not...
You be a good boy, Cho. And do like Lola tells you to do. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. And little man, little Lola wants you. Make up your mind to have no regrets. Recline yourself, resign yourself, you're through. I always get what I aim for, and your heart and soul is what I came for. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. No use to fight, don't you know you can't win? You're no exception to the rule. I'm irresistible, you fool. Give in. Give in. Give in. Oh, my clothes! Do you like my ruffles? Hey, Joe. Here I am. Give in. Give in.
Good evening. I'm Dorothy Dandridge.
You do something to me, something that simply mystifies me. Tell me, why should it be? You've got the power to hypnotize me. Let me live neath your spell. You do that voodoo that you do so well. You do something to me that no